How to share only part of an Notion database. Sharing only a part of a Notion database, often called as granular database permission, is a powerful way to control who sees what without exposing your entire workspace. So, in this video, I'll show you how you can do that. So, to get started, go ahead and open Notion.com into your preferred browser and then sign in to your Notion account. And then after that, you need to go ahead and head over into that specific page where you have your database. And then once you're on that page, go ahead and click on the settings icon at the top right of the database. And then click on filter from here. And then set it into your preferred filter. So for example, you just want to show one question to a specific individual to whom you want to share the link to. So you just need to select that specific question and then paste that specific question under this. So if the question is equal to, then that will be shown onto your database. So go ahead and copy the question from the database that you have already. So make sure to set this into is. So if the question is, that would be shown here. But you can also set that if the question is not, then it would be shown here. So you just need to copy the question and then set it into the filter. And then after that, go ahead and click on this save as new view. And then from the settings, go ahead and click on this copy link to view. Now, send this link to that individual to whom you want to share this part of your database to. So that is how you can basically share only part of a Notion database. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.